Welcome to the lesson on bulk importing. This one is a lot of fun because, man, it can really share some of the benefits of Thinkific with you in a way that you can't really get anywhere else in the site. Bulk uploading or bulk importing gives you the ability to load a lot of files into particular chapters of your course with basically the click of a few mouse clicks, right? So why would you do this? If you have already built your curriculum, let's say you've already taken the time to build out your course material and you've got a whole folder full of files to load into Thinkific. Well, as long as those files are video, audio, PDF, you're going to be able to load them into the bulk importer. It won't bulk import PowerPoint because, as I noted in I believe it was the curriculum functions lesson, PowerPoint's treated kind of differently. It parses PowerPoint into individual slides. So that's the reason why it doesn't do bulk importing for PowerPoint slides, or PowerPoint files. But let me go ahead and show you this before I get too far into the explanation. I want you to get bogged down in the detail until you can see this thing in action. So I'm going to go to bulk importer here at the top of my bar right next to curriculum. And we've already got 2 chapters loaded in the course. So when I click bulk importer, it's going to show me everything that's currently in the course, which I did bulk upload these 3 right before this lesson just to demo it. And it gives me the opportunity to bulk upload more to chapter 1, or I could come down here to chapter 2 and I can bulk upload files to chapter 2. And since chapter 2 has no lessons in it yet, it's going to show no files, no lessons loaded to chapter 2 in the bulk importer. So let's go ahead and use chapter 2 to demo this. So we're going to click select files. And I've already got this folder preloaded. I've created these materials for a course I teach at East Partnership. Now I'm going to select 3 files. And we're going to bulk upload these 3 files. The 3 files are going to be 2 PDFs and a video. And I'm going to use a manageably sized video. It's not huge, but it's not small. So we're looking at 161 kilobytes. But I'm going to hit OK on those 3 files, 2 PDFs and a video. And it's going to queue up those downloads. Now look how fast those PDFs loaded. I mean, they were quick. And now it's processing the video. Now the video is giving us our standard upload progress bar here. And I can see the title of the video is automatically uploaded and the 2 PDFs, the titles from those files transferred into Thinkific as well. But look what happened here on the left. It loaded those files in and it knows that they were PDFs and it created PDF lessons. Pretty cool. So note to self, title your files the way you want them to come into Thinkific before you upload them. And it's one less thing you'll have to do in Thinkific. You won't have to go in and edit the names of the lessons. So title or name the files just like you want them to show up in Thinkific, then do the bulk upload and it'll take care of that work for you as well. Now, these 3 files have uploaded. 2 of them are PDFs. 1 of them is a video. It recognized the video file type and automatically assigns it as a video lesson. So that's cool. Now I can move these around if I want. And Thinkific will see that and go, whoa, what are you doing, dude? You're moving stuff around, right? And yeah, apparently it's going to take its time thinking about this, but you can kind of organize your files in bulk on that upload here. And that's a pretty nice feature. I mean, I don't necessarily use it too much, but that's because I traditionally launch a course with a good start worth of material and then market and sell the course. And if it sells, then I'll build out the rest of it. And that's one way to kind of control the investment without driving yourself nuts. I'm going to go ahead and there we go. Okay, it moved it up. You can see right here, that video file did move to the top and the PDFs showed up down here. So we have bulk uploaded 3 files to chapter 2. Pretty cool, right? Now, if I want to add a chapter, I can either do it here or I can come over here, add a chapter, and then it'll show up in the bulk importer. But you can just do a bulk import here, and you can see it'll open up the chapter on both sides. Pretty cool. You can title this and it'll transfer and everything. So that's pretty much bulk uploading. Now, the only thing to be aware of with bulk uploading, like I said, is that PowerPoint files, you won't see those listed here in the file types. You've got audio files, you've got video files, and you've got some document files. But you're not going to have, and you have some web-based files, but you're not going to have PDF. And that's because Thinkific's file loader treats PDFs as each slide in a PDF file is basically an individual individual slide, if you will, or page in Thinkific. So that's why it doesn't use the PDF file format for bulk uploading. You can essentially bulk upload using a PDF or a PowerPoint just by creating one big PowerPoint file full of your different slides and then just loading that one file up in a presentation lesson. So that's why they don't include it in the bulk importer. Okay, appreciate you guys tuning in to the bulk importer lesson. This one could save you a lot of time if you already have material made. If you don't have material made and you haven't loaded your course yet in Thinkific, it may give you the opportunity to hit pause and Thinkific, go create a bunch of material, then come back and quickly upload it. And don't forget that tip about naming your files, how you want them to show up in Thinkific. Okay, guys, appreciate it. See you in the next lesson.